some lamb. Medium heat until the meat is soft. Garlic cloves, some veg bouillon, maybe like a teaspoon, 3 carrots. Okay, after about 10 minutes or so, you see some of the lamb fat is rendering, and then once the water evaporates, the lamb will fry. Ginger and garlic. When I prepped the lamb, there was onions in there. If you didn't do it that way, then add the onions after the water dries up. Okay, now I want to make some Dombolo, Dombolo, which is like steamed bread. So let's see. That's exactly 2 cups of flour. Half a teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 cup warm water. I'm just going to keep a 1/4 cup there. So 1.25 cup water. You need about 2 tablespoons oil. Okay, knead for about 10 minutes and then cover and rest. Then 15 minutes before we put the stew off, then we add the dombolos in. Okay, the water has dried up. Add a little bit of oil if necessary. Let the meat get some color. Adding 1 Thai dry chili. Cumin seeds. Black peppercorns. Add about half a tomato. Add the stock. So all the font from the bottom is now out. That's all flavor. Now herbs. A tablespoon of dry thyme. I've got some dry dhania, coriander. Okay, I'm going to add the carrots and the peas. So I'm going to cover this with water. 30 minutes. Okay, carrots are breakable. Meat is breakable. Gonna add the cabbage in. Increase to medium heat and let it reduce a little. And that's the dough after about 45 minutes. Let this rest again for 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, 2 teaspoons of flour with some cold water, just a splash of Worcestershire sauce, maybe a tablespoon. Okay, now we add this flour mixture. After a few minutes, you'll see that the gravy has thickened just slightly, just to give it like to coat the spoon, you see. So now we put it on low and add the dough. Put it on low and add the dough. Make sure your hands are wet when handling the dough, wet or oily. Okay, cover, and the steam will cook it for 15 minutes. I have a cheese to use up, so I'm going to make some focaccia. I kind of want to release the steam slowly because I don't want it to sink. Whoa, yeah, baby. Okay, that's awesome. Let's do a taste test. I just want to show you what the steamed bread looks like. That's the inside. Oh, it's so hearty. The cabbage is perfect. Salt is perfect.